What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's time to talk about Luna Classic. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm here every single day bringing you up to speed on the latest news and information. So what I want to talk about here in this video, a couple things. Number one, the interest here is still heating up, and we're going to look at that as it relates to trending on Twitter. Luna Classic is still getting a ton of momentum in that regard. However, the price right now is trending downward. So we're going to talk about that as well. Where will this free fall stop? And will we bounce back here early this week as we turn the page to a new week very, very soon? The overall crypto market is down about 1.5% right now. Terra Classic is actually the number one asset in the red right now. It's down only 8.68%, but we have dialed back into the 215 range, as we can see here on the outlook. So we fell out of that mid-2 range, and I didn't like this. We were talking about it on about day 3, right? That we didn't like this trend line happening. The slow sell-off now leading to a little bit more of a sell-off yesterday. And here again today, we have dialed back again to that 2-1 level. We came actually all the way down to the 2-0 level. And right now, we are basically looking at some technicals that are not looking very good. Moving averages now showing a strong sell. The summary right now across the board with the oscillators included is a sell. Still a buy when we look at the 100-day moving average, but when we look at the 50, 30, 10, or 20-day moving average, the moving averages overall show us a strong sell. Now, here's the one thing with Luna Classic. It has defied the odds. It's went against the grain. But from a technical standpoint here, we know that we made some serious gains over the past several months, and people now are just looking at it and saying, hey, I've got to book some profits. And for the long haul, this is not a bad thing, right? Because we do have the tax in effect, right? The 1.2% burn tax has already burned 1.3 billion Luna Classic at the time of this recording. That continues to be the second top burning entity right now behind the Lunatics token. I think it's just a matter of time until the 1.2% burn tax takes over the top spot here as the top burning entity. And here on Twitter, as I mentioned at the top of the video, LUNC still trending with 129,000 tweets. You can't buy this type of momentum. Luna Classic means so much to millions of people. Luna Classic is the people's coin. I agree. It is one of the people's coins. It is the people's coin right now in the last couple months. I don't think there's any bigger community token right now than Shiba Inu, in my opinion. Of course, I cover that here on the channel every single day as well. But Luna Classic is at its infancy stages, and this is going to test the community, right? This sell-off that we're seeing right now will test the community. Will we find a reversal? We need one, right? We need a reversal here. Hopefully, we can trend back up and start trading again in the mid-2s. I would like to see that here as we turn the page to next week. But right now, things are not looking great. In the last, let's see, 6 days, we've had red candlesticks in the last 6 days, whereas the previous 5 days before that, it was that sideways action that we like, right in that mid-2 range. But with all of these profits that people are finally realizing, right, and maybe not selling near the top, they're starting to see that portfolio dwindle a little bit. I think you're just seeing a little bit more people take some profits off the table, and I'm totally cool with it. I mean, because again, if we're playing the long game here with Luna Classic, we've got to get over these hurdles. There's going to be more hurdles thrown at us. Right now, we're going through one with a little bit of a sell-off. Again, now down only 5% in the last 24 hours, so that's good. We'll keep an eye on, obviously, the 1.2% burn tax. We did not get, the exact news we wanted from Binance as it relates to the burn tax. Maybe that's causing some people, to sell off a little bit. I still think it's pretty fair what CZ is planning on doing. No matter what, I think it's time we, turn the page and look at other things that we can provide utility within this ecosystem. I think that is really, at the end of the day, going to help us get to where we want to go. And in terms of the overall circulating supply, we're at 6.5 trillion right now. So that has come down from, of course, the 6.9 trillion. So slowly but surely, we're making a dent into that circulating supply, which of course is very important long-term here for Luna Classic. With that, I appreciate you stopping by. Also, Freedom 365. You'll see that logo right ahead, right above me here, above my head on YouTube, and that link is down below in the description. We're starting a podcast, me and my friend Austin. We're going to record about 9 episodes and then slowly release them here in the next couple weeks. So be on the lookout for that. We're going to have a lot of fun with it. It's all about entrepreneurship. Crypto elements will be included, but more or less it's about business and winning in life and bringing successful people on to kind of share their stories. So if that's something that interests you, head over there, follow the Twitter. You'll see that link down below in the description, and I'll catch everybody in the next video. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll see you.